flying back and forth somewhere. She brought another one around.
There he is.
That's Pedro. The pink one? Maybe.
Those big ones.
Baby bird's bigger than that.
Really?
Yeah, we got a peach one there.
Yeah, that's Pedro.
Excuse me?
That's Pedro right there.
Do you see the
Real?
Yeah.
Hey, Grill. I got a blue heron right here we just rescued.
Oh yeah?
You seen a baby blue heron?
No, never
I have
seen
not. Would you mind if I filmed your baby blue heron, sir?
Not at all. We rescue animals.
Oh.
Now these.
This one here is going to be 5 foot tall.
Oh.
Come on, Harry.
Oh wow! Look at that.
He's going to have a 5 foot wingspan.
How cute is he?
Serious? Take a picture. Oh, you don't have your
my
phone.
phone.
I do.
That's so cute.
So.
So cute. You rescued
The two brothers didn't make it. They fell out of a 100-foot nest, and they fell on the concrete. We took them to the hospital and they had to put them down because their legs were broken. You can't when a baby's like that. But what we do is we're going to get a thing online. We just take care of cats, dogs, anything that gets hurt. Somebody wants to put them down. We do pigeons, birds, anything that's hurt. Oh yeah, we do them all.
Like Brantley.
Some green parrots.
The pigeons though, right? They just like
don't matter. We're animal lovers.
Did-
He loves you too.
Oh, she.
How long have you caught? Like how long has she been here?
We've only had her a week.
She's struggling.
She's already got. Yeah, we treat these animals like people. They're like babies. I got 2 white umbrella cockatoos that we just bought. One a year ago, 3 months ago. We got them as babies. They nursed them with little syringes, and they're just like our children.
You just have so many birds in your house.
There's 7 right now, but we have a extension I built in the back apartment, and I live on the top and the back, and I built a deck on top of the house, and there's a huge cage that is 8 foot tall by 8 foot wide that goes all the way front and all the way around back, so they can be out there in the morning time, and they got places to all climb. They like to climb. $3,000 worth of cages.
Did some of the birds arrive to you after Katrina, or did you rescue them?
No, we rescue them.
Okay.
I got 4 myself, and 5 with her, and he's got 2. He's got the blue and gold macaw and the peach Moroccan.
How old is she?
About 5 weeks.
Oh.
What is the name of the rescue operation?
It's going to be bird security.
Bird security? That's
Yeah.
wonderful. Well, you're doing a great thing. So.
Yeah, I know. And it's just a wonderful thing. I mean, I just started getting into the birds the last 4 years, and they're just so intelligent. It's crazy. They say, oh, they just mimic? These birds. Go answer the door. Someone's knocking on the door. The phone rings. Hello? Bye-bye. They say bye-bye when you're leaving. I mean, they talk to you. It's weird. I mean, people think they're not just mimicking. Pedro's 24 years old.
Some of them birds will probably outlive humans.
He lives up to 100 years to take care of them.
What is that noise?
That's a locust.
Locust.
That's right. Oh.
See, locusts only come every 7 years, but some of them are, I don't know, whacked in the head or something.
Is this the 7 years?
No, you still get them anyway because they're off.
How big are they?
About this big.
Oh, Lord.
Like a big cockroach.
Like a big cockroach.
Yeah. When they make that noise, they're eating.
Wait, there's a movie of locusts, like a horror movie, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it was Exorcist.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah,
They
it was
swarms,
Exorcist.
right?
Yeah,
They
it was swarms.
travel in swarms.
Actually, they do that in another country. When a 7-year, they don't plant any crops at the 7th year because they eat all the crop. That's the same way with our umbrella cockatoos we got upstairs. They massacre them in Australia because they eat all the almond trees. See, most of the parrots have to chew wood to digest their food.
The oil spill on the Green Isle, which is like an hour and a half away from here.
Well, that was
and
awesome.
stayed for the whole summer and like worked.
That was great.